Okay, so the first box was banging, but I've been told I might have gotten lucky. I guess we're gonna find out. Hey y'all, welcome back to the pink envelope. I'm in full mom mode. I am opening a beauty box with pretty much not a stitch of makeup on, just some tinted sunscreen and some mascara. But I was heading out with the girls and my Allure beauty box popped up. So I subscribed to this last month for my birthday. I wanted something to add to my Doc box. Doc box is an amazing skincare subscription. It's quarterly. It is my everything. Actually, I think pretty much everything on my face right now, minus the sunscreen, is from Doc box. But I love beauty. I'm not very good at the whole makeup scene, and I'm wanting to improve in that. I've been watching Sydney over at Subscription Sisters because she is like the bomb.com at that. And this is one of the boxes she has given a thumbs up a few different times for people who like a skincare slash beauty mix. I mean, let's just take a moment to admire. I've got full on Barbie fingernails. So it's not that I don't love beauty and beautiful things. I just need to learn more, if you know what I mean. So I subscribed to this guy. If you're new, Allure is a beauty subscription box. You can choose quarterly or monthly. It is $25 with free shipping, so it is extremely affordable. I do have a coupon code down below and a URL where you can get $10 off your first box plus free product if you want to go check that out. I did hear while playing online that this particular box actually has 7 items instead of 6 inside of it. And what I love about Allure versus like Ipsy or Birchbox is they send full-size products along with samples. Doc box sends almost all full-size and occasionally a sample. Whereas I feel like with Ipsy, I was getting so many samples, I actually couldn't even tell if I was enjoying the product before it would run out. This is what I'm seeing inside when I first opened the box. Like the box itself and stuff is very basic. I'm here for it. That works for me. I've noticed that they have offers on the top, which is fine. Great. I'll check those out later. And here it talks about the different products, and I use this a lot. Once again, I'm really trying to expound and grow in this area, and so that really helps me know what's happening here. See a brand I'm actually familiar with. Henriksen, I think is how you say it. The Banana Bright Eye Cream. I'm gonna confess, y'all, I hate bananas. Like, it's a texture issue for sure, because I'll eat like banana pudding as long as there's no bananas in it. Oh, but even like banana flavor, like banana flavored candies, like I can't think of one right now, but I know they're out there. I don't enjoy those. So I don't know how I feel about the thought of rubbing banana eye cream on my face. Let's see if it smells like bananas. No, it doesn't smell like anything. Okay, that helps actually a whole lot. Okay, if it doesn't smell like bananas, I think I'll be fine. It's just a really thick, like, creamy texture because I definitely want bright eyes. I do not have bright eyes right now. So here, y'all don't get me, like, raw. I do have my Elta MD tinted sunscreen on, which is the bomb. But you can see I do not have very bright eyes these days. Using your ring finger, apply a small amount under the eye area. Provides a beautiful base for makeup. Okay, you can use it before makeup. Excellent. Next, we have Sachajuan Hair After the Sun Hair Treatment. What is this? What do we need to know about this, should I say? It's beach season, and this reparative treatment is on standby to make sure the signs of the long days spent outdoors don't linger in your hair. Try it as a leave-in, or if your hair feels extra dry, apply it like a mask and then rinse after about 20 minutes. Okay, retail value, $37. Whoa, because this is full size. We are battling this in the realest way with my kids. Hardcore real. So they're using all of my Curly Girl products in their hair oils and conditioners because they have wavy to straight hair, and their hair, they call it clumpy. Their hair is very clumpy, and it's from swimming every single day. So I'm gonna be able to put this to the test. I wanna see if this really does work. Let's check out the retail value on that guy while I'm here. $44 for 0.5 ounces, which is what this is. This is $44 and this is $37. Y'all, I paid $25 for the whole box. And if you subscribe using that URL down below with that coupon code, you're gonna pay $15 for your first box and get an additional product. I told you, I think this one's really cool. And it's something that you can actually sustain financially month after month. And my last box, it was amazing. It's in this haul here if you want to go check it out. I loved it. But a few of you commented and said I got a lucky box, which I was like, hey, I know about that. So I'm on box 2. First 2 products are awesome, awesome. I'm loving the color of this Pound Cake Red Velvet Lip Gloss. Ooh, that is very va-va-voom. Oh my gosh, do I even put it on? Or are we gonna traumatize everyone? The Pound Cake Red Velvet Cake Batter Lip is a classic choice, but not all matte liquid lip wear is the same. This is a best of beauty winner. It's a suede textured formula that has just the right amount of pigment for a gorgeous, long-lasting payoff. This flexible doe foot applicator, does that mean it's like literally like a deer's hoof? So it's like that, like teardrop almost maybe? Applies a sharp finish so it's opaque, and one swipe does the trick. Retail value $26. Hold on. So it is a solid brush all the way through. It didn't have like a hole in the center, and that's what I was wondering. Is that called a doe's hoof? I have never heard that before. Am I alone? Is that a thing and I just didn't know it? Okay, let's see what's up. I have no idea what I look like because I'm using a really weird camera on my phone. But I'll tell you this smells so good. It literally smells like pound cake. It smells so good. Okay. I cannot see myself very well. Is it even? I think it went on very, very easy, very clean. And if I were better at it, I probably could have just done the one swipe, but that goes on me less than the product. I'm just not very good at makeup. First encounter with this is a huge yes, thumbs up, awesome, amazing. It was easy to put on. It smells so good. I love the color. We'll give it a little bit because when it first comes out, it doesn't look matte. We'll see if we get it to turn matte. Next, we have Acaderma Barrier Booster Serum. Alleviates redness. I mean, always wanting to alleviate the redness here and right here. Repairs skin barrier, soothes irritation, and hydrates. It's cruelty-free and free of all the things. So see, this is what I was saying. This box, from what I have noticed, is a mix of skincare and beauty products, and I think that is like the most epic mix. Okay. Oh, so it is a pump. I don't know, it might be is this a sample size? I don't know. Let's see. Much like a moment of meditation, this serum has an instant calming effect on irritated skin. Soothing ingredients like olive leaf extract, an herb that has been used for centuries to treat wounds, repairs signs of redness. It's a lightweight, watery serum that you will press into cleansed skin. $68 for 30 milliliters. So we got an 8 ounce here. We have 8 milliliters, 8 ounce, 8 milliliters here. Whoa, whoa. But I have to say, I do think this is enough that if I use it with consistency, I'll know whether it's working or not. Also, I want to comment on the fact that they called it a watery serum. I feel like watery serums do better than cakey, thicker serums when it comes to treating my rosacea. I have no idea why, but I've just noticed that pattern. So very stoked to try that. Neogen Dermatology Probiotics Youth Repair Cream, an anti-wrinkle in early age. Inside this pretty pink tube is a whipped, luxurious cream that coddles skin. It's formulated with soothing peptides, hydrating hyaluronic acid, one of my favorite ingredients ever, and nourishing ceramides to moisturize skin. Slather it on under sunscreen each morning to soften fine lines and make skin dewy. I don't ever put anything under my sunscreen. In fact, I've never even thought about it. I wake up, I wash my face, any lingering makeup I remove, and then I put my sunscreen on. But sometimes by midday, I really have crackly skin, like it's super dried out. It does not look dewy. I'm gonna try me some dewy skin because I got the most killer sunscreen lineup, not to say their name again, but from Dermy Doc Box. Like, it's my favorite, so of course I'm gonna talk about it. But I got like all of my sunscreen set. Now I'm getting the products on either side of it, and I'm gonna give that one a try for 50 G's. What is that? 50 grams? I don't know. It's $48. This one is $15 as a sample. And then lastly, we have this Byoma, a creamy jelly cleanser. Triceramide complex. I don't know what all those things mean. I just know like certain like tag words. They're probably like totally marketing things, but there's certain ones that I like look for. Those products always seem to treat me well. Wash away a full day of makeup and sweat and excess oil in a single step with this Best of Beauty award-winning cleanser. The jelly-like formula lathers into super silky cream that hydrates your skin in the process. Massage 1 or 2 pumps of the face wash all over and rinse with warm water. Retail value $11.99 for 5.91 ounces, and this is 10 ml as a sample in the box. Also want to mention that all of these products, there are coupons in here. So if I use this product and I like it, I literally can go to their website and receive 20% off the full collection with the code that is included here. So that is good follow-up. Like if you get a product and you fall in love with it, it's not like, oh, now what do? You simply reference this, they'll take you to where to order it and give you a coupon code for it. So I was totally playing on the website. I thought it said July had 7 products, which was like unique and crazy. Oh, here we go. It says the July new members box will have 7 products. So y'all's will, it will not only have 7 products, so 1 more additional product, it will have $10 off. And this is the product they're saying that is coming if you subscribe today, which is a great brand and a great sunscreen. I do recommend this guy right here. I got a mascara in mine. So last month was my first month. I got the $10 off and I got a mascara, which I haven't started using yet because I'm trying to finish up one of the 15 tubes I already have open. Who else does that? Who does that? And mascara is not something you can open and leave open after a couple months. It's lit and dried out. So when I open a bunch of them, I can't get through them all in time. I've got to stop doing that. Okay, let's loop back to this pound cake. Smells so good. As I'm talking to you guys, I literally can smell it and it smells like pound cake and it makes my heart very happy and my stomach very hungry. Like legit, I super sugar craving. Like I'm gonna bust out the candy stash while we're talking. Literally starving. So, is it mattified? Does it look good? About to find out if it comes off on my teeth while I eat. Also, if you grew up in like the 80s to 90s, this can be very familiar to you. Okay, so here's the thing. It comes off like crazy. Like how much is left on my lips still? It feels like very little is actually still left on my lips. But there is a whole bunch on the blot. The blot sheet I just did. Okay, not bad. I don't know, maybe it even made it look better. Maybe you think it made it look better now that I blotted it out a little bit? I've got my sunglasses on my head. Yeah, I was literally walking out the door, you guys. But I thought we would play a little bit. Okay, yeah. I do like this Va Voom lip we got going here. Okay, that's all I got. If you're like, what is Dermy Doc Box that you keep talking about? I'll link a video up here. You can go check it out. Their summer box is still, well, I think it's still available. Summer box has a tendency to sell out, but she did tell me she ordered a whole lot more, so hopefully they do have some. Go check it out. And I do give this a huge thumbs up. If you're looking for something that's a mix of beauty and skincare, that's fun, it's more mature, has full-size products, and is affordable, I'm giving this a thumbs up. Okay, off I go. I'll see you guys again on what? Friday, because next up we'll be hearing from Ben and Sabrina as they release on Thursdays, and they have some cute stuff coming our way. I hope you guys are having a fabulous Tuesday, and if you subscribe to the channel, I'm going to see you guys later. Bye, y'all.